up, guys? Welcome back. Exciting day. We got a box. I know who it's from, but I don't know if I only got a portion of it or all of it. So you're gonna get to see me see what's in the box. Great movie, by the way. What's in the box? What's in the box? All right, let's see what's in the box. I don't want to mess this box up because this could actually be a good box to send out my headers in. All right, well, hats off to Ken. I'm just going to show you how he packaged this. This is what I opened up to. Ken, hell of a job. He even got a little card with my name on it, which is a hell of a touch. Read the card here. Happy New Year. We hope you have the best year ahead. The first performance team. Sorry for the delay. You know what? No worries at all. Sometimes the best things are worth waiting for, right? So Ken, again, thank you very much. Let's see what we've got going here. So looks like the gaskets. Yep. Gaskets. Manual. That's kind of cool. I'll take that. Ooh. Okay. Got some bolts. Oh, buddy. All right. These are what's gonna keep this thing, I guess, going. Here we go. 36-pound injectors. 36, I thought I got 30, maybe. I don't know. Those are the injectors. Poly. Looks like this thing comes completely assembled, so that's interesting enough. I'm going to use that for those headers like I had mentioned before. The only thing that I'm not seeing, I gotta reach out to him, is my EFI system. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go. Watch out for the car. All right. Look at that mouth. Woo! I kind of want to save that bubble wrap too. See how I can do that. There we go. God damn, that's big. Holy mother. Look at this thing. That is no joke. That is no joke. Wow. That thing is beefy. Wow. Okay, well, so here's the interesting thing. This is what I'd like to do. Something you don't normally see. Give me 1 second here. Don't get my hands all cruddy. Look at that. That's beautiful. Move this over just a smidge. Gloves on here. Made in the USA. Damn. That's a big ditch. Damn. Okay. I don't know. Here's a comparison. Interestingly enough, this is sitting higher. Now, maybe it's because of the bubble wrap. I can adjust on that. Or maybe it's because of the way it sits in the, but as you can see, those runners are like double the size. Whew. That's some sexy stuff right there. The interesting thing is, I gotta see this for real though. Is it? No, that's just the way it is. This sits higher. Now maybe it's because the way the intake is, this is sitting more flush, and maybe that's why. That's probably why. But looking at the runners and everything else, like this thing looks amazing. I am stoked. I gotta be honest though, polishing this thing does not look fun at all. So, yeah. But anywho, this thing looks amazing. Let's go. First Performance TPI intake. Look at this. This thing just looks gnarly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, that's what's in the package. Still waiting on the Phytech system, but that will come through, I'm sure. I'll reach out to Ken. But another update for you guys. Interesting course of events. Interesting course of events. So, the other day I got a call from Hawks Motorsports, and they informed me that the company that TPIS uses to grind their cam ground the wrong cam. They ended up grinding the little Chubb cam instead of the ZC409. And they asked what I wanted to do. If I wanted to keep the little Chubb, or go with the or have them grind the ZZ409. And my first response was grind the ZZ409. I started looking at my figures and everything else, and I reconsidered it, and I called back Hawks and I told him, I said, listen, what I would really like to do is if I could talk to the people over at TPIS and just get a little bit more insight on in terms of the actual cams, the little chub compared to the ZZ409. And they were more than happy to reach out to Jim over at TPIS, and Jim was more than happy to give me a call, and we talked in length about the build, and he actually broke down a few things that I wasn't aware of, and he actually made me switch. Now, let me rephrase that. He gave me information that I wasn't aware of that made me switch and stick with the little chub cam. So we're switching things up. We're going with a little chub cam. So this thing is going to be fun. This thing's going to be, it's going to have a little bit more grumble to it, to say the least. It's going to have a nice little lopey sound, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm getting more and more excited as we get closer and closer, but here it is. This is the stuff. But yeah. So be safe, moving along. Got some more videos dropping soon, installing the crank, getting the piston rings on, and moving right along. We're starting to get some parts in, and I am excited because this thing looks beefy. Beefy, beefy, beefy. So, till next time, be safe.